Welcome to the Pilot Water Allocation Tool Training Series. In this video, we'll be exploring the Watershed Reporting module. If you're new to the tool, we suggest watching the Introduction to PWAT video, which is linked in the description below. The Watershed Reporting module is used to understand water supply, demand, and other watershed characteristics for any location on a stream or river in the pilot area. This module is publicly available, which means you don't need to log in or request access to produce reports. To get started, you can zoom in on the map to a specific location of interest, or navigate using the search bar to find a place by name or a location by coordinates, either latitude and longitude or UTM coordinates. Suppose you have previously created a report and would like to revisit that exact location. In that case, you can do so using the Watershed Feature ID, which is a unique reference number for each watershed. You will find this number on all reports produced by the PWAT and in various other places within the application. For the purposes of this video, we will look at a location on the Beaton River. We know the Watershed Feature ID for this watershed and will enter 7719638 in the search box and click on the result. Once you have found your location of interest, click Show Report to view your report. To learn more about the contents of a report, please consult the PWAT User Guide, which provides detailed information about each section. For those of you who are familiar with the Northeast Water Tool, the contents of the watershed reports in PWAT are very similar to those. One key difference is the weekly supply and demand section. The PWAT includes new criteria for evaluating environmental flow needs from Section P of the Implementation Agreement signed between the Province of BC and the Blueberry River First Nations in early 2023. The new EFN framework requires weekly estimates of flow variability, so the section of the NEWT reports with monthly mean discharge and EFN risk management levels has been replaced with weekly estimates of flow variability and maximum water allocations as calculated using the new EFN framework. This chart shows estimates of weekly flow exceedance probability, as well as the maximum water allocation and amount of existing allocations. It shows the seasonal variation in flows which is observed in Northeast BC and illustrates how the maximum water allocation changes over the course of the year in proportion to the flow. A weekly flow variability chart supports a more detailed exploration of the flow distribution for individual weeks. For example, we can select week 19 and see how likely specific flows are during this week of the year. The maximum instantaneous withdrawal rate associated with specific flows is shown in dark red. The maximum instantaneous withdrawal is calculated as a percentage of instantaneous flow, and the percentage of flow that can be withdrawn decreases during low flows, 80 to 100% exceedance. For more information on maximum instantaneous withdrawals and how these are calculated for rivers and streams of different sizes, please consult the Pilot EFN Operational Guidance document. At the bottom of the table of contents, two options exist for exporting the report from the PWAT. You can choose to download a PDF, where you are then prompted to add titles and notes before selecting the sections of the report to include in the PDF. Alternatively, you can choose to download CSV files containing the data used in each section of the report. This completes the overview of the Watershed Reporting module. If you need more assistance, check out the User Guide and Help section, which are both found at the bottom left corner of the sidebar of the tool. These resources provide additional details on navigating the tool. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our team using the service desk, which you can access using the link in the description below. To learn about other modules, please check out the other videos in the Pilot Water Allocation Tool training series. Thanks for watching.